लैला मैं लैला, ऐसी हूँ लैला, हर कोई चाहे मुझसे मिलना अकेला. Hi, this is Pavni Pandey and you are watching filmsofindia.com. दुनिया भुला दूँ, मजनू बना दूँ, ऐसी मैं लैला. Okay, so my first reaction was कि oh my god, मतलब ये मेरा ही मतलब सच में हो रहा है या सपना है. But yeah, when I got the news कि मेरा ही version रखा है, it was very overwhelming. Why not? I mean, मतलब I'm a singer और मैं काफ़ी open हूँ towards my choices, that what I want to sing and what I don't want to sing. I mean, there's nothing that I don't want to sing, because basically I just want to keep singing. As far as I'm getting good work and interesting work, why not? Actually, I started singing when I could not even speak. So when I was 9 years old, मैंने जयपुर में सुनिधि चौहान का एक लाइव शो देखा था. एंड जिस तरह का रिस्पॉन्स उनको मिल रहा था ऑडियंस से, एंड जिस तरह से वो अपने आप को पूरा कैरी कर रही थी, सो दैट वाज द थिंग दैट रियली इंस्पायर्ड मी टू बिकम अ सिंगर, टू बिकम अ लाइव परफॉर्मर. And then my parents decided that we should shift from Jaipur to Mumbai for my singing career. I think Indian Idol, I was there in Indian Idol for a very short time. I had to quit because of my personal reasons. So I was not there in Indian Idol for a longer period of time. But yes, I was there in Saregama Little Champs for, that was the main series which I was a part of. So yes, of course, Saregama. So Kisan was the first Hindi film that I sang for. I got a break from Dabbu Malik ji, and because his son Arman Malik and me, we both were together in Little Champs, and he heard my voice in Saregama. So he promised me that he would give me my first break, and that he did. He did give it to me in Kisan. Then after that, I sang in Bodyguard, and yes, of course, again it was very challenging, in fact, because I had to record the song at 6 a.m. in the morning. I have never ever done anything like that. So that was quite interesting. And then Gulab Gang also, it was actually a dream come true to sing for Madhuri Dixit, because मेरी बचपन से बहुत favorite actress रही हैं वो. And when I came to know that it was for Madhuri ji, I wanted to read up the song, which I actually did, because I wanted to make sure कि मेरी आवाज़ जितनी भी लाइनें हैं मेरी उनके ऊपर सूट करनी चाहिए. So I really wanted to make sure that it suits her face. And Welcome Back was also again a very interesting project to work on, and बहुत ज़्यादा expectations थी उस वक्त मुझे Welcome Back से, and yes, it did quite well for me, yeah. And Manjhi was, again, it was a kind of parallel cinema. It was a kind of a parallel cinema film, which was not really commercial, but it was a very interesting project to have in my biodata. Of course, someone like Ketan Mehta, a film from like a person like Ketan Mehta sir, and Nawazuddin and Radhika Apte, and plus to sing for Sandesh sir, Sandesh Shandilya. It was amazing. It was amazing. Lata Mangeshkar, always. I mean, Lata Mangeshkar is an institute, yeah. To take out one song out of her. I love her Lag Ja Gale, Mairi, and Sunyo ji from the film Lekin. There are many songs. I mean, yeah. These are the ones that I can just recollect right now. I did not yet. I hope to meet them soon. But yeah, I got quite a lot of appreciation from both of them via Twitter. So both of them had tweeted personally for me, which was really kind. Date? Oh my god. Ah, oh my god. Never thought of dating someone, yeah, like that. I mean, that's a question that you ask the actors most of the times. I mean, singers are not really prepared for such a question. But okay, if narrowed down to only a celebrity, then I would like to date someone who is musical and good looking. Ranbir Kapoor, yeah. So right now I am working on Anarkali Aravali, which should release in probably the first half of this year, and that's again a very 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 unique project by Avinash Das, and we have Swara Bhaskar in the lead. So it's a parallel cinema kind of a film, but yeah, it's very good. Like where do I spend my most of the money and time? I'll have to say my shoes, and my basically my clothes and my attire. Yes, I spend the most of the money on that. I watch web series when I'm not working. I watch Friends. Now, I also play with my dog a lot when I'm not working. So that's my favorite stuff to do. Okay. So competition, yeah, there is a lot of competition, yes. But I hope that in down the lane, I really hope that I am established as a very versatile singer, someone who can sing all genres, and you know, I really look up to that. So I am learning music from Ravi Jule. He is my guru, and I have also learned music from Mr. Gautam Mukherjee and Mrs. Usha Deshpande. And yes, I went to California for a short period of time to learn vocal dynamics, Western vocal dynamics from Thomas Appel. So I would like to thank all of them, but my special thanks goes to my current guru Ravi Juleji, who has really turned my life around and turned my voice around. So thank you so much, sir, if you're watching this. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से, हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियाँ नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले